When them a bomb a bomb out the hill for make the highway. And everybody a petition say the whole of we house crack up over angels. And we need representation. Them sell we out, you know. Them sell we out like old shit house.
Them sell we out.
And a lot of people never get nothing out of it because at the helm, at the head of the thing was Norman Scott, was how much other people were just in it, to win it, to feed themselves. Them a creep out them cry like some twin cow, and them a
Twin
look
fishy
like
cow.
born was cooling,
Twin
and them
cow.
just don't care. You understand what I say? As long as we can furbish our nasty needs, and as long as we cronies them can buy them bullet and them gun, they can't come for me, you know. Because I'm me are the only woman where see man get shot and pick him up, put him in a taxi, send him go hospital. Me.
No, you're the only one.
Me not care. Me just, I'm a humanitarian first and everything else can come after. You understand? Because the same thing when would I want for myself. You understand? That is why me always tell them, say, compulsory make monkey F pussy no. And if you don't look on this live, you don't know we can reach some people out there now because them not remember say that I go on, you know. The same knife for stick, go tight stick sheet, them are going with themselves and them not remember. But me can tell you tonight, more is to come. Because as Chuck said on him live, this somebody will go testify, C4, there is more. And more can I wait to go. Them have them mandate and them going. Some more is to come. You understand what I say? And in a Jamaica, if I not saw it go and near saw it go. So all who no one thinks say something come, it a come. And one advice I can give to the PNP tonight, stop trying to bring down our prime minister. Because the more you dig up after him, and the worse I dig up go on for uno.
And we're coming at them.
Dig up a go
We're
on
coming
for
at
uno.
them.
And when
We
we
are
not
come at
keep
them.
up with foot off our
Good
neck.
link,
We
stick
are
up
come
in,
at them.
stick up in. Remember, you know, then leader, them opposite leader was at the prayer breakfast criticizing our government, you know, going go praise God, you know. His politics him carried and the next day Mocha was raiding them. Peter Phillips come pronounce death and destruction pan we are Monday morning. The man Green dropped down at St. Mary and dead.
Uno
So them to
realize,
leave we alone.
uno realize today Ren's girl can read something about the municipal council in the KSMAC. Them
Yeah.
are use the KMAC for fund.
KSMAC.
Yeah, for fund them candidate.
The man talk, roasting like a bird.
Mm-hmm.
Roasting.
There is a
Because
lot
them
to
Remember?
put him
come.
out in McGregor.
There is a lot more to come. And
Yeah.
I am sitting silently by and waiting for it. Then when it comes, we can all
Woodland,
elaborate on what it
I'm
is.
giving PNP a
Me
warning.
that we did to play the other day from the live, but we never play it. So who can play it today?
I'm giving
I'm ready.
PNP a warning.
Listen,
Yeah.
I've been silently saying it day by day, you know. Because today I type it in the box and
Guys, me I
people
go
think
come
that when
down.
I
Me I
type,
come down. Me I
All
come
right,
down. Me I
green
fit
light.
on fold. Me I fit on. Me I fit on fold. So me I go come down. Me
Green
listen.
light. Green light.
all
Come
right.
on
All right,
here. Where
green.
you go?
Me I fit on fold.
I want to turn on your light, you know.
Let me
You
land
there?
look a bit.
Me soon come back, man. Me I feed the fold.
Tino has the
Yeah.
floor.
All right.
You see,
Valentino.
the law is going to go places where it never been before, you know, in Jamaica, you know. It's a new dawn and a new day in Jamaica, you know.
Thank you very much.
Attend no meeting. You not change one bulb. You not run one pipe. You not fix one community center. Not one PTA meeting you not do. Not even one promise you not make. As simple as a promise. You not make one promise to the people. So if you not make one promise to the people, it tells you that you not carry out no work whatsoever. So you, Graham, I believe just like any other laborite or any other well-thinking Jamaican. I even some PNP would agree with me too that you need to return that $13.8 million that you collect as a salary for the year 2024. And you only attended a minimum of 14 sittings out of 97 in the last 2 years. I still believe, say, you need to return all of that $25.9 million that you would have collected. And probably can give you back your gas money where you drive and come down to Kingston. Give you back your toll money too. And give you a little thing on it. But for sure, you not deserve so much money. Yeah, man. Can give you probably $100,000 out of $25.9 million for the last 2 years. Are you wicked? You deal with the people them bad, my brother. You's a black man and the people them are black people. Them struggle. Just like how you used to struggle when you grew up. Sure that you feel many demands and you did not, you Graham. You Graham, how you feeling of yourself? How you sleep? How you sleep, brother? Knowing that you walk home with a massive $13.8 million for the year. You did know so the 0.8 is $80,000 more than what a minimum wage earner takes home for the year. Because a minimum wage earner for the year takes home $720,000. So come on, man. Come on. You need to do better. Send back the people them money. Because I take a thing out of that. Oh.
Go on.
Brother Alcott, what gone?
Me that say you Graham in the one come over join the Jamaica Labour Party. So I did a listen one program with Darrell Vaz last year or year before last. I don't quite remember which year, but Darrell Vaz was saying that when Cliff Hughes put it to Darrell Vaz was saying that him give him some advice, cause I know everybody will want to cross the floor, you just run and take them in like that.
Okay.
Darrell Vaz was saying that thing, but
you think them it was emotions why them never make him cross the floor? Because when George Wright wanted to sit in the PNP side, he's not crossing one cross the floor now, but he wants to sit over that side because there's only two sides.
Yeah.
The minority side and the governing side.
Yeah, if you're independent, you sit over the minority side.
Mm-hmm. And the PNP, them never want George over there. So probably emotions make them never make this a man across.
No, I not really that, I think at the time, what my common sense tell me at the time that the Labour Party have 49 seats and them couldn't, trust me, if it was like when we win 31, 32 in a 2016 and we gradually get little seat, we got to some by-election and get some seat, I think if the Labour Party did have like 34 seats and them thing, then they would accept him willingly.
But them could have take him same way, man, and just push him on one bench and put him in one of them like child-friendly bench. You know, then like baby chair.
I think Labour Party, they tell him, all right, the upcoming election, I know Labour Party can't lose. I doubt Labour Party want 49. If they get it, then take it. But I doubt. I can't them no want 49. It's too hard for anger, man.
I want clean sweep them, man. I want
you want 63?
I don't want to hold 63. I want Angela Brownberg to come to Parliament, see me. I want Mark Golding to come there. Is it true it two of them miserable?
Yeah.
Two of them more see.
But you know, I'm fine.
And date and kids meal for definitely losing seat.
No, we don't want to see
Electric for
it.
lose.
We
Them
don't
for
want to see
lose.
Bunting and him in a parliament. We are trying
Yeah, man.
everything to keep them out.
The
The
whole
man, they
of
are problem classic. The man, they are
vocal
problem.
junker them for lose their seat, brother.
But classic,
Mm-hmm.
I was listening to a live this morning with, I think it was Infomedia Live.
Mm-hmm.
And then they have the lady when he and Chang on it.
Yeah.
But I think one of our colleagues did put a question to him about the Spanish Town corruption. And the fella Labour Right was saying that no, it is in the court and whatever. Classic. Tell Labour Rights if they take off them have to put on them vaccine.
Go, brother. Them for
Hmm?
go.
Them for
Any
put on
Labour
them
right say that
vaccine.
for go, brother.
Brother, all when Andrew Holness thing in the court. Look here. Look when Mark Golding as the leader of the opposition. Him knows that the seventh we're going Andrew Holness first hearing in the court where more review him statutory declaration. And the fifth, the man go on political platform, go say the man carry the IC go court and try strike down the lad. So you see when Labour, me no want Labour Right to go on like them a idiot in a bridge.
Yes, man. Let I run with a Labour Right there, brother. Because
Trust me, yo, the thing bun.
me know
the
I'm
thing
typing
bun
at the
this man,
comment this
classic.
morning. I'm ask,
Classic.
tell me about the $1 billion. I'm even typing at the comment, I'm say, but the same CEO that we assigned to check them for St. Catherine. Now him there Westmoreland right now. So I'm assign check a Westmoreland, I'm assign check a St. Catherine. Meanwhile, the actual CEO for St. Catherine now sign no check. So what how him powerful, so?
Yo, the man them disappoint me, brethren, cause when corruption allegation, all when it no go so for the JLP, the PNP sing pan it and them put them spin pan it and do them do, but this a real corruption and we not talk about and not put it to the lady.
Yeah, man, make sure answer the question.
I want to them, brethren.
In fact, what they should have dropped on Julian is Miss Chang. I ask Miss Chang what go on for market because the market then a fear division, a fear market, what go on for market, what to millions, $100 million. What we give on for fix the market or
Classic,
rebuild
if
the
it's St.
market.
Catherine, if it's Spanish Town, something a classic, I want serious thing, Nobody take it light,
Of course.
I want serious thing, Because you hear what Mocha say, organized crime.
Exactly. Breaking news, what go on?
They are easy enough for that classic.
So you need to give it a breaking news. One sitting for a whole year and collect
that
$20.8 million.
Yes, classic can. Me pull up on you, me there, me there, I read about 10 times. Come here, I really look good, but when I tell me I have to get one shirt, but I wipe out me, I come, me I want that, me I still right.
Nathaniel, you know, sir, a minimum
One
wage,
time,
Virgin, a minimum wage earner takes home $720,000 for a year. While this man take home 13.8 million. Even the 0.8 is more than what
Classic.
owner carry home.
Classic.
Boss.
There is a class. If you're not
Evening,
attend,
Anisha.
if you're not attend 6 sitting, I think if you're not attend 6 sittings, you have to give some explanation. So I think maybe him give them some explanation or him give them a written letter or something why I'm not
What
attend.
could be his explanation?
Else he would have been suspended.
Because Mike Henry was able to attend 6 sittings.
And Mike is sick.
And Mike is sick, and Mike have documents to say that he does not have to attend.
Peter Phillips get exemption because him sick.
And Peter Phillips still attend more than this man.
Peter Phillips, I think the only one where him finish when Mrs. Holness get the speaker of the house. He was there. But otherwise, him not go parliament.
Good evening, Labour Rights. Set up on yourself.
Big up, Chrome.
Good day, I'm going to listen. All right.
Yeah, again. This is somebody I say, man, no, they're in the island.
So when could I do? They are Ochi. I understand them, man. Say.
Classic.
Anisha, what's on your mind?
No, that me tell you say, him have apart
Yes,
from
dear, what's on
Damien
your
Crawford, him did have somebody down there at work because the people them say them don't see him in the constituency, but him have somebody underground at work.
Yes, thing.
I
So,
think
what
I
on the
think you
keep it?
Graham
Now
have too
remember.
much money. You never need for come in a politics. 'Cause I'm too rich.
Then hey, me
My
just
friend
tell
from
conti
Linstead.
this alright. This is
Hold on there. My friend from Linstead, please send a request. Come up, please. Philip Chowers
Yeah,
our way
yeah,
on
yeah.
him.
There's
I'm
somebody
talk
there,
to you
there's
now.
somebody there from the constituency. Get but
Yeah,
them
man.
send a reply.
Philip, more and talk
hello.
to you now. Come on,
Hello.
brother.
Me have
Jump
one
up, man. Nobody running for
classic.
you. Jump. More and talk
Classic.
to
Me
you.
have one alright, see the company where me tell you say him own Paramount Trading. Me have one friend who work there. And him go there. Him the girl say him come there, then see him there, him come there. So him the inner the island.
Oh, him touchdown back.
How will it for the year the amount of time for the years is in there?
The man ain't nothing with the PNP. I guess him forgot Paul, but the man no want go sit down with them, yeah,
Philip,
man. The man them say
more
them
and
wicked.
talk to you about your brethren, your comrade MP, Hugh Graham, who is taking home $13.8 million a year to attend one sitting. And not
Hey, yeah, the
only
man
that,
say
not
him
only
mother
that.
sick, so he
Hold
mostly
on,
in a
my friend.
Florida. It look you classic, read the
Oh,
comment.
yeah, man, not
Okay.
only that, I might talk to Philip, because I want Philip to send a request. Philip, I want to talk to you about the $1 billion we on the people and thief at St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. Because you always a cuss out the good lady, Miss Crawford, MP Crawford. And
Yeah,
me
man.
also want to talk to you about that brother who will take home $13.8 million a year. And him never change one light bulb in our constituency, much less fix one road. So come up, come defend on a comrade virgin. Because here people are say, him not there nowhere in our place. People come from in constituency, so him not about. Him not do nothing. Every road mash up.
Info I go over Black King 6:30 in regards to what happened this morning.
Okay.
Def,
So,
classic. Tell Philip can defend thief in Norman stock where I show 300,000 a week, partner. With
Anna
taxpayer
Norman
money.
alone do it. Anna Norman alone do it, you know. Several of them do it, me understand.
Uh,
St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. As the a
Alcatraz, yes,
people
I wasn't sure a date a week for the week. 200 a month.
300,000 a week, partner.
A partner. Okay. What unfortunate.
you, hey, Virgin,
Boy.
52 weeks in a 1 year, you know. 52 weeks in a 1 year. Times 300,000. That's $15.6 million. At that, with that amount to, none of them now get so much for the MP. The highest paid official, the highest paid councillor in the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, I carry roughly $10 million before tax per year. So where is IC to question where them I get all of them money? Is it on their statutory declaration each year? These are the big questions. Time another my Prime Minister back. I no can answer some of them questions. A simple little question them have no answer.
And we are call out Mark Golding. We need a press conference.
I'm going to ask Philip, why is it that Philip, the truck, the water truck is missing from the grounds of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation? Why is it that it is doing the work of the gangsters and not of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation? So I can tell you about that too. Because I have answer for everything.
Them have answer for everything about labor right and wellness, though.
Yes, man. So Philip, you always have all type of talk. Come chat to him, man.
I'm a run.
So Omar, come up, man, cause he asked me one question. Come me answer your question and you can answer for me them. Man, I rush no, you know. Come answer a question, man. I make me answer back for no question. Philip is asked. Oh, Omar is asking Philip. Okay. Why may I be using KSAMC resources to assist PNP MP candidates? All right. That's a good question. Come, Omar. Good evening, labor rights. Una can send me some
But
of them money there. Boy, we broke, them never give we none.
but classic. This is the thing,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is the thing. The estate bridge breach. The man them no breach. No, all the man them do is like the bathroom. We not about to turn yourself in a bathroom. We turn it in a storeroom. But the width and the length of the building or the floor not change. So that a normal thing when you get a permit for bill. But this man don't get a permit, none tal. Because November 2023, the farmer mayor, them put a stop order upon it, and the man go ahead since then win February and go build the thing without a permit. Then this man a go come like him original, but him approve that and approve the estate bridge thing. It's total different thing, bridging.
Exactly. That is true.
Total different thing. One man have a permit, one man do not have any permit. And it's the same thing when you explain how the tax what data and Camber at about Universal Service Fund and TDF. When them put on the tax fund, it's tourism pay, not Jamaican. The Universal Service Fund is when you're the overseas and call. That's how the Universal Service Fund get them fund. Putting tax on food for coming to Jamaica, that a direct tax on the people of Jamaica.
Yes, the Prime Minister tell them answer them, man. Prime Minister tell them the same thing we just said.
I totally did. Me used to work with Universal Service Fund, Chroma. So me know what Universal Service. Cause yes, when WhatsApp come in and them thing there, it cut down the revenue of Universal Service Fund. You see me?
The Prime Minister said the same exact thing we said a while ago.
So a totally different thing. So me don't know them. You see the mayor, him need. You see, me can't take with my party and the people them too distant, Them too distant. We need some fire under the PNP them tail right now. We need to have a foot in them neck and not take it out.
No, you have to work now, Alcat. As the government you can't do it, but as a party, the party is a private entity.
I'm not talking about the government.
You mean the party? Okay. The party itself. Yeah. A campaign time now for step on
I'm not talking about the government. And even the government need to call them out because a government response to get permit from the case. A government response to parish court. So we have to talk about the government.
Yes, still, but on the party side, we can more aggressive,
Of course. One thing what we need to remind people also is that Dennis Garden was a part of the building committee. They were the same ones who were stopping people from build. They were the same ones who says, hey, that building have to tear down because I'm a build illegally. But at the same time, remember, look on the big old conflict of interest, people. Him go approve or not approve. He is going to be one of those persons, but at the same time, he's building without a permit. Big old conflict of interest.
I was watching the KSAMC the other day up on Waltham. I tear down some all a little man we have him little restaurant, one little blue shop. I said them a tear it down. I said up illegally. So what good for the goods, good for the gang and man them forget a excavator and go tear down this building.
Tear down for him big blue shop now.
It need for go tear down, brother. Cause them say them love poor people. And them go tear down the poor people thing them the other day. So for them need for tear down.
As we say to Alcat, we go for the good, go for the gander. Several buildings then tear down before the criminal organization was found that him a build illegally. So we go for the good, go for the gander. He need to tear down.
The little poor man, the little youth,
You
have him
damage
little,
what
have him
poor
little
man building.
restaurant. Where
And
am I
if
eat
you
him food off of?
building illegally and sit down on the same building permit board. Eh? We can't go so. Oh, then dumb, then love, come back about conflict of interest. Eh?
That's $1 million question. How him get pay and him not attend parliament? How him get pay and him not do nothing in him constituency? Someone live in a life too. Don't do nothing and get pay.
More have my foot in a PNP then throat. Me no want take. More put my foot in a them throat until my sister then stop
So,
breathe. Me take out.
Mr. T, come on and twist up argument that come fling the Jamaican people, man. It twist up innocent people with them and they're nasty in it.
People,
Come talk to people them straight, can't believe everybody are idiots.
Mark Golding.
PNP.
Mark
Why you
Golding.
come from
Show
with
something
some
PNP.
estate business and nasty in it, like estate with them doing something illegal.
Mark Golding. Their grace breakfast prayer the other day in a church. And know say the Prime Minister they behind him and I disrespect the man.
Wow.
About the IC. We must protect the IC and God bless the IC and one bag of thing I know so the IC I try frig up the Prime Minister. Him know that. And I try this the man in front of the congregation. And we there so like we are fucking that and make PNP at going with so much corruption and I go on like we don't want to talk. We feel up on it 24/7 every live. We feel put out peer video. When you look on TikTok it feel dominate.
Alka, feel over YouTube too, man. TikTok, we know people over YouTube too, man.
People, that is what you call a $13.8 million laugh. I'm a laugh after on a PNP. When I
Yeah.
elect him now do nothing phony and that I saw me want laugh right there, man. $13.8 million worth of laugh.
It's an average bow tie.
Yeah, man. $13.8 million.
No, all the orange drop in there, so they don't look good. With them the color there.
I mean our orange shoe.
I'm out Golden teach him that style, man.
I know says a boy what me not dislike. Me not know if I true me and him have the same surname.
Your surname again, Alcat. Remember your surname.
No,
Them
Graham.
have the same surname.
Graham.
Eh?
When
Graham.
Chang come for the live this morning, the first thing in thought do a tell live for Mr. George Wright. And when time they send call George Wright in charge, he start changing him out.
Exactly.
I mean, I play the hypocrite with nobody. So, man, I'm here right Chang, I play hypocrite with Miss Chang and I'm trying to back up Miss Chang in her wrong. No, they
I tell
find
you the
that.
truth, you know.
She come for labor like I want to school the Dujan.
I tell you the truth, you know. You see the woman when named
He got this man and a fire upon him.
you see
No,
the
you come for labor like I want to go.
He talk to change him out and in the earlier all along he the one that type to tell life on George Wright. And see man that tell the people them down, tell the youth them down, they won't put power work to George Wright to pay them. Nobody else. And them see man that pay. And you can't try play victim. The people beside
She come up and the thing and I talk about Dujan this and
he
disrespect.
come and tell life on the man George Wright happy workers where
Hold
they pay.
on, not telling. I cool on not telling. Let me just say something. Let me say this morning she come over upon info live and I try style right name there. Him Dujan. That will tell us that they might listen. They might listen to Dujan. And she know Dujan because she knows Dujan from West Holland. When they want to come in. Go on.
Alcat, where you say now?
So she come on the live and I try
now
style
forget
Dujan.
about my chain